How to link Taobao app with Alipay. So first things first, once you've already downloaded Taobao application, ensure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. Open it up and then log in into your Taobao account. Now at the lower right portion of your screen, you should be able to see account. And then at the top right hand, just simply tap on the settings, which is going to be the gear icon. And then under account and security, just simply tap that. And then in here, you should be able to see Alipay account, which is not linked yet. To link that, tap on it, and then you'll be redirected to bind Alipay account. Link Alipay now, and then in here, just tap on agree so that you will be redirected into your Alipay account. Log in, and you're done. And that's it. That's how you link Taobao app with Alipay.